Humanoid robots closer to reality. 1X Technology's new robot Neo set to enter homes soon. The future where humanoid robots assist with household chores, such as folding laundry, is closer than ever before, according to 1X Technology. The company, known for its innovative robotics, has announced that their latest creation, Neo, could be in homes as early as next year. Even more surprising is that the price of these robots is expected to be comparable to that of a relatively affordable car. 1X Technology, based in Norway, has been at the forefront of robotics since 2014. The company developed its own tendon drive technology and introduced their first robotic system, Eve, a humanoid-like robot equipped with a wheel system for ground movement and parallel grippers for hands. Now, with Neo, 1X believes they are ready to revolutionize the market by mass-producing humanoid robots designed specifically for household use. In an exclusive look at Neo, Bernd, the CEO and founder of 1X, explained, "We've always been focused on building human form factors to perform many tasks in the home. We believe this will eventually lead to human-level intelligence in robots." The company's journey began with developing the motors and foundational technology needed for humanoid robots. In 2016, they introduced their first two-armed robot capable of performing basic tasks. By 2018, they had fully developed Eve, which was subsequently commercialized in 2020. The latest iteration, Neo, is set to take the company's technology to the next level by entering the homes of paying customers. One of the key challenges in robotics, according to Bernd, is designing systems that are both safe and efficient. Neo features a unique approach to energy management, which makes the robot inherently safe to operate around humans. Unlike traditional industrial robots, which rely on heavy and fast-moving components, Neo's design minimizes energy, ensuring safe interactions in home environments. 1X Technology is also pioneering in data collection to improve the intelligence of their robots. By gathering diverse sets of data from their robots, Eve and Neo, the company is developing a foundational model that will allow these robots to learn and adapt to various household environments. With plans to scale up production, 1X is positioning Neo as the first truly accessible humanoid robot for everyday use. As Bernd states, "The only way we get truly intelligent robots is by getting them into the home, where they can learn from the diverse and dynamic environments they encounter." The company expects that by 2025, Neo will be widely available. With further advancements continuing into the late 2020s, this marks a significant step forward in making humanoid robots a part of everyday life, bringing science fiction closer to reality.